Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How is everybody doing? Okay, just give me one moment. I cannot see myself. Screen. Okay. Hello, and good afternoon, guys. How is everybody doing? All good, all good? I can see a lot of you saying hi. Okay, hello. Hi Divya, hi Kajal, hi Diksha, hi Ayush. पर चाहिए वॉइस करने के लिए हम खुशी. Hi Khushi. Okay, hi Raman, hi Success Study. Hi Ayush. Hello. Good afternoon everyone. Hi Khushbu. Okay, Khushbu is Sarthak. Hi Sarthak. Okay. Hi Kajal. A lot of names are just running by like that. I hope all of you had a blast of a day. I hope all of you had a amazing day starting today, because today we're gonna have a bit more amazing day because we have our sessions today. So hello and welcome to the session. I hope all of you are super duper excited and super duper ready for the session. Yes. Okay, hello. I can see a lot of you joining in. So welcome to the session, guys. I'll go with a quick introduction about myself to everyone who do not know me yet. So here is my name. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here in Vedantu. In 4 years of my teaching experience, I have mentored and tutored thousands of amazing students like you, and also helped a lot of them score 100 upon 100 in their maths exam. As you can see, I have done my masters in mathematics, so you know the love I have towards this subject, and I want to imbibe the same kind of love in each and every student watching this session right now. Okay, so hello and a very good afternoon to everyone. There are so many students already. That's amazing. So guys, today we are going to start off with the chapter. We have already started off with the chapter linear equations in one variable. If you have not watched session number 1, after the session, go back and watch that. And do not forget to like the video right now. Give your attendance by liking the video. Come on, I want each and every one of you. 224 students watching this live right now. Give me a thumbs up right away. And if you are new to the chat, new to this entire channel, can you please give me a heart here in the chat box? My heart is really bad, but yeah. Can you give me a heart in the chat box if you are new here? Okay. Hi Shiva. Hi Adi. Hi Anupam. Hi Tanvi. Hi Rajesh. Hi Tanika. Hi Shreyasi. Hi Aryan. Hi Gargi. Tanya. A lot of you are new. Hit the subscribe button right now, because every day we are going to come up with a lot of videos, both academic and non-academic, and you're going to have a lot of fun on this channel. You don't have to go anywhere else. So do not forget to like the video right now. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed at all. And guys, do not forget to hit the bell icon right to the subscribe button. Whenever my video comes or any other master teachers videos come, then you will be notified every post that we do on this channel. So come on, hit the subscribe button right now. Let us get started with the session. And if you think anybody, if you know of anyone who would love to learn linear equations in one variable in a very simpler way, give them a call right now. Send them this link of this session and ask them to join away right now. Because today we're going to have a lot of mentee questions. We have 2 mentees, one in the beginning and one at the end. Okay, so chalo, homework bhi rahega, and I'm going to tell all those homework names also who have answered it fast and correct in the last class. Before we get started, let's start with a very beautiful quote that I have come up with here today. Learning is never done without errors and defeat. So this something says a lot about mathematics here. A lot of my students say, ki, ma'am, we are so disappointed because, we make a lot of mistakes in maths. But guys, that's okay. That's really okay. Why? Because you get to learn from your mistakes. Only when you make errors, only when you make mistakes is where you know, acha, next time I will be careful with this, right? So that's how you will be knowing. But that said, I'm not saying you have to keep on making mistakes. You should not. Okay, chalo. But remember, learning is never done without errors and defeat. Nobody is perfect. I am also not perfect. I've also started learning maths when, I made a lot of mistakes in the beginning, but I took it up as a challenge, practiced a lot of questions, and now I'm here to teach you maths. In the last class, I told you, I announced that there's going to be batches for people who are on the top of the leaderboard and people who are on the bottom of the leaderboard. Now, why bottom of the leaderboard? Because I am going to give this Super Kids reward batches in every session from now on. It's a level up motivation for the person who is in the last of the leaderboard. Yes, you have also tried today. It's your day also. One day you will be on the top of the leaderboard. And everyone from the first to last beach mein jo bhi bacche hai, for you also, this is a reward for everyone. It's just a small token of motivation from my side. Okay. So last session, we had hula hoop on the first place. So guys, whenever you're playing Menti, please make sure you're writing your original name so that you can take a screenshot of this certificate right here. Okay. So last time we had hula hoop in the first place, and in the 10th place, we had Snake Sindhu. I don't know if both of you are here. If you are here, give me a heart. I am new. I am a student who saw the channel when it first time, and it's Ayushi. Hi. Hello, Aryan. Hi, Ayushi. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit yet. Okay. Okay. Cool. So yes, so this is how we're going to do a quick certification of appreciation for everybody who is on the top of the leaderboard and the bottom of the leaderboard. Hula hoop is Meghna. Are you hula hoop? So yeah, welcome to this class. I want to be master because I play with and love it. That's amazing success study. You will definitely be a master. Menti zarur hoga. Menti will definitely be there. But let's quickly recap what we have learned earlier. So yesterday, last class, I have given you a homework to solve this equation using balancing method or transposing method. So I hope a lot of you have answered it. I'm going to quickly do it here. X by 3 is equal to 7 by 15. When you transfer this plus 1 to the other side, it will become minus 1. Addition will become subtraction. Subtraction will become your addition. Guys, please be very careful whenever you are transposing. Make sure that you are being able to, just give me one moment. Yeah. So you are being able to do the calculations right. So here the LCM here is 15. So 7 minus 15. So the answer is minus 8 by 15. So your X by 3 is minus 8 by 15 here. But what do we know? You have to isolate your X. You have to make sure that your X is alone, is in quarantine. So this division with 3, when you take to the other side, it will become multiplication with 3. So your X is equal to minus 8 by 15 multiplied by 3. 3 into 1, 3 into 5. So the answer is minus 8 by 5. A lot of you have given the correct answer. And here are the top 10 names. We have DJ, Alok Gaming, Torsha, Gauri, Preeti, Anisha, Roop Kishori, Amit, Rijul, Sakshi and Janvi. So these are the top 10 people who has answered last class's homework, and you people are doing a great job. Can you help me? I can definitely help you. Can you please tell me what's your problem? Okay. Hi, Jeevan. Hi, Supreet. Hello, Anita. Okay. So here are the names. So let's get started with the recap. In previous class, we have seen what is an equation. Anything, an expression with an equal to symbol, a left hand side and a right hand side is called as an equation. What was linear equation in one variable? Linear equation is where the equation, the variable of the equation's highest power is 1. So 3x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 2. This is a linear equation. Why? Because the variable here, x, the power of the variable is 1. And it is only one variable is what you can see. You can only see one alphabet. So that's why it is linear equation in one variable. They are always of the form ax plus b is equal to c. Your a, b, c can be any constant. Integer, whole number, rational number, fraction, decimal, it can be anything, right? So as I promised, let's start off the session with a Menti and then move forward and do a lot of word problems. So don't forget to come back to the session, because after this Menti, we have one more Menti at the end, okay? And I have a game-changing question. The last question is a game-changing question which will change the entire order of the leaderboard. So come on, if you have not joined it, do it right now. Rani, can you please refresh? So all you have to do is visit menti.com and use the code 5275569. And don't forget, after this Menti, this is just a recap Menti to see how many of you remember what we have done in the previous class. After this, we are going to do a questions based on, what do you call it? Solutions, sorry, word problems based on the linear equations in one variable. So I want all of you watching this session right now, join in. I'll just wait for 2 more minutes. Class 7th, you can give it a try, Janvi. The code is 5275569. 5275569. I am not new. I am a student who saw the channel when it was in the YouTube first time. That's amazing, Seema. Welcome. Ayush Chaudhary from next class, I will try. Okay. Thank you, Kajal. Love you too. The code is 5275569. 5275569. Okay, let's get started. And here is your first quiz question on your screens. Come on, hurry up, guys. Hurry up. Everybody who hasn't joined yet, quickly join. Awesome. Okay, I can see a lot of you joining here. But I guess I need to quickly refresh. Just give me one moment. Okay, I have refreshed it. Chalo, hurry up. So people who couldn't join, joined right away. I did, Charvi, I refreshed. Krisha, I am really sorry, bacha. I could see only few names. I picked up those names. But yeah, from next time, I will make sure I'll read properly. You have to understand that's not the only job we have. Okay. Chalo, here's your first question on your screens. If you haven't joined Menti yet, use the code 5275569. The equation 2x minus 7 is equal to 7. If 7 is transposed to the other side, the equation becomes what? So there's an equation 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So when you transpose subtraction with 7 on the other side, how will the equation look like? Karthik, why can't you join? You just have to open menti.com. Good afternoon, Janvi. A lot of you are already giving the answer. And let's see. That is, okay, what is happening? They didn't tag it or what? Okay, the correct answer is given by majority of you. The correct answer is option number C. Just give me one moment here. Okay, guys, just give me one moment. I got to check before we move forward. Give me 1 minute, okay? Okay, they forgot to check the answer. That is terrible. Why would somebody do that? Okay, so let's do it again. Let's do it again. Where am I? Yeah. Okay, cool. So yes, majority of you who have got it right, here we go. I have done justice to you. This is how the leaderboard is going to look like. Let's look at the leaderboard here. And let's see. Krishna, Unni Krishnan, I will try. Please stop spamming. So we have Rugved Boss being the fastest and on the top of the leaderboard. That's amazing. Good job, everyone. Here we go with the second question. Second question on your screens, and here it is. In the equation P is equal to 0, a linear equation in one variable. Is P equal to 0 a linear equation in one variable? Yes or no? Think about it. Is it a linear equation in one variable? Think, guys. A lot of you are giving a wrong answer. Why? What were the criteria for linear equation in one variable? There should be one variable and the highest power of the variable should be 1. That's all. Let's see how many of you will get the correct answer, and that is amazing again. Good job everyone on the people who have answered it right, 203 people. This is tremendous. So let's look at the leaderboard here and let's see. Okay, good job everyone. Let's see the fastest here. And Aditya being the fastest, but Charvi leading the leaderboard. That's amazing. Good job everyone. Let's move on to the third question. Let's see if the third question is... Okay, so before we get on with the third question and the fourth and the fifth one, we have to do a few things first. Okay, so let's get started. I know all of you are waiting for a Menti, so I've given you Menti 2 questions of what we have done in yesterday's class. But after that, we're going to see what we are going to learn today. So I want all of you to come back to the session, listen to the explanation very carefully. We will do few application-based questions and word problems and then go back to the Menti again. So that will take another 15 minutes maybe. So you just hold on, listen to it very carefully, and then we'll go back to Menti. Now, before we go back to doing a lot of problems, I know a lot of you here want to study with me personally on the Vedantu platform. So you want to join us and get unlimited live classes with fun and high-level quizzes, you are in the right place. And just in case you have missed any of the classes, maybe because of internet issues, yeah, maybe because of, you had to go out somewhere. So you can always watch the replays and do the live quizzes again. जैसे यहाँ पे आपको quizzes मिलते हैं, leaderboard मिलता है Menti में. Similarly, we have our own set of leaderboard on Vedantu, which looks like this, where your names will be displayed. You will be getting stars for every answer that you do right, and a lot of things. And the best part is not only 10 names, more than 10 names would be displayed here. And you can compete with students throughout the world. You can see the students I have in my class. They are from across India. They are from across the world. And the best part is we can see each other. YouTube mein, this is something I do not like, right? I can only read your chats, but I cannot listen to you. I cannot see you. But यहाँ पे सारे doubts clarify होंगे because there's interaction happening, right? And you can download the content which is handwritten by the master teachers. You can see this is how the content looks like in my classroom. So there'll be everything written. All you have to do is download and refer to it whenever you have your sessions, whenever you have your exams. You can always go back and read this again. And remember, in the class doubt solving with quality tests and assignments is also there. In the class doubt solving, matlab, I can talk to you, I can unmute you and take up your doubts. And the best part here is in Pro Premium batch, there are only 15 students. So the interaction between the master teacher and the teachers and the students will become more. And doubt solving is one of our strengths, I should say. There were 175 doubts asked by the students, and 175 doubts were actually clarified during the session. And 3 doubts were broadcasted because those were repeatedly asked by a lot of students, right? So you can see a lot of things coming up like this. There's fastest fingers list. All of you must have seen KBC, Kaun Banega Crorepati. So yes, here also, the faster you answer, the more marks you'll be getting. And the top 10 names who has answered fast and correct will be given right here, right? And then for every question you do right, there's definitely going to be a lot of appreciation. So you can also get free unlimited micro courses, free crash courses for board exams and competitive exams once you enroll with us for the entire academic year. And remember, the more classes you do at Vedantu, micro courses, long-term courses, master classes, the less amount is what you're paying. So all you have to do is, the link is there. You just have to visit that link in the description box. It is pinned in the comment section also. You just have to use the coupon code YHPRO to get further discount. Now, I'm going to quickly take you through a small this thing here. So now guys, if you're wondering how do I enroll, if you click on the link that you can that I have pinned here, you will come to this beautiful page where grade 8 is already mentioned. So as you scroll down, there is Pro Lite, Pro Classic and Pro Premium. Now you can see the batch size. Pro Premium में 15 बच्चे हैं, that's it. And 15 बच्चों में there's going to be a lot of interactions. I can take up your doubts a lot. And here in Pro Classic there are 50 and Pro Lite there are 50. So what is the difference between Classic and Lite? Is Lite में doubt solving on the mobile app after the class is not there. So in Lite you don't have that feature. Classic में वो feature है. And Premium में आपको एक personal mentor भी assign होंगे who will take up all your doubts, who will explain to you one by one. And best thing is you can try it for 1 month and see how it goes. And once you love it, you can buy the complete course. यहाँ पे coupon code is already applied. अगर coupon code applied नहीं है आपके पास, तो you can always use YHPRO. And the VIP promise that I'm going to tell you in few more minutes. As you scroll down, you can see the timetable is already given to you here. Best teachers are going to teach you, and you can choose according to whatever you want, right? So 15 बच्चे हैं. My own session, my own batch is starting from, I guess, June 21st. My batch is starting. So if you want to enroll for my batch, so guys, it is from June 21st. Okay, so you can join. I'm going to write the date here and use the coupon code YHPRO to enroll for my batches. So if you haven't joined yet, make sure that you click the link which is in the description box right now and use the coupon code. Now, I know you're paying all of this money, but you're paying none. Why? Because there are unlimited micro courses. So what is a micro course? Suppose आपको linear equations in one variable पे doubts बहुत है पर कोई clarify करने के लिए है नहीं. So you can take up a micro course on linear equations in one variable. So there'll be only few people in micro courses. So there'll be a personal interaction with the master teacher to the students and you can clarify all your doubts. And this full course, 1 year का course है till March 2022. So there's Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Premium. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. You can click on the link which is active and use the coupon code YHPRO. And I want to see each and every one of you in my class. I'm also here to make a quick promise. What is that promise? Vedantu improvement promise. Now your improvement is our responsibility. And there is a guaranteed improvement in the in every child watching this session, every child's school and board exams, and guaranteed improvement in Vedantu's benchmark test also. Agar progress nahi hua, so you will be getting your course fee back, no questions asked. Yes, we will not ask you any questions. Your money will be given back to you at the end of 1 year. But remember, 75% of attendance is mandatory, guys. You need to attend 75% of the classes and 75% of the test that we will assign you, you should also do that. So when you enter into Vedantu, there's going to be a benchmark test 1, and when you're leaving, there's another benchmark test 2. So we are promising that there'll be a huge improvement between the first test and the second test. So make sure you are enrolling for this course because guaranteed improvement. School open हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, exams हो रहे हैं नहीं हो रहे हैं. Don't bother about it. Make sure you are getting the knowledge at the right time. Correct? So in case there is no improvement as per your expectations, we will return back the money. No questions asked, no terms and conditions. It's just that you have to attend 75% of the classes and 75% of the tests that we are going to give you. That's all we are asking from you, right? So I hope all of you are willing to take up this. So a lot of CBSE 6th, 7th, 8th grade batches have already started. 24th May, 17th May, और ICSE का भी शुरू हो गया 10th May and 7th June. If you want to start a fresh batch, if you want to join a fresh batch, my batch is starting from June 21st. Okay, in another 21 days, my batch is going to start. So you can enroll for those batches. 8th grade, 7th grade, 6th grade, I'm taking for all of them. Okay, not only 8th grade, सारे grades के लिए. All you have to do is click on that pinned comment. वहाँ पे एक link है. It's already pinned in the comments, the live chat, and in the description below of this video also. So all you have to do is click on that link. Don't forget to use the coupon code YHPRO for further discount. चलो चलते हैं. Let's do a few practice questions and then go back to Menti again. Solve the equation. So guys, whenever you have a solve the equations like this, जो bracket में है, तो हमें क्या करना होगा? Open up the brackets first. So it will become x minus 2 plus x minus 3 plus x minus 9. Write all the variables to one side and write all the constants to the other side. This is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus x is equal to 3x. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So this will become minus 14. Why did I add? Because all the numbers are negative. So you can add them and the answer will also be a negative number. This is equal to 0. Now when this minus 14 goes to the other side, what will happen? Oh my God, you people are already giving the answer. You people are the best. So 3x is equal to 14. Your x is equal to 14 by 3. You people are right. Here is the solution. So which method did we use? We used the method transposing. Remember, if they did not mention, just go with transposing method because that is the easiest and less time consuming. Okay. Your next question on your screen. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 8, 8, 8. Find the multiples. Now, guys, carefully listen. जब मैं multiple of 8 बोल रही हूँ, तो 8 table लिख लेंगे यहाँ पे. 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, and so on. Correct? Now, what is happening here? 8, you add 8 to it, you're getting 16. 16 plus 8, you're getting 24. 24 plus 8, you're getting your 32. Correct? So, let the 3 consecutive, what is consecutive? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on, 48 are called consecutive. Consecutive is one number after the other. So, continuous multiples of 8. तो अगर मैं एक नंबर x लूंगी, तो दूसरा क्या होगा? x plus 8. तीसरा क्या होगा? x plus 16. So if I take this as 8, so this is 8 plus 8, 16. 8 plus 16, 24. Did you get it? So we got 3 multiples of 8 here. What is that you have to do? You have to add them. मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया? I just took an example here. Let me just erase this. Okay. So I've just taken an example of 8, 16 and 24. It can be applicable for anything and everything. Now they are asking that the sum of these 3 consecutive variables, consecutive multiples is 8, 8, 8. So your x plus 8, x plus 16 is equal to 8, 8, 8. It's the same thing that we have done in the previous question. You keep all the variables to one side, you add all the constants to one side, send the constant to the other side. So you have 8 plus 16 is 24. So when you take this plus 24 to the other side, it will become minus 24. So your 3x is equal to 888 minus 24, which is 864. Now you have to do x divide x is equal to, so you have 3 multiplied with x is equal to 864. Multiplication with 3, when you take it to the other side, it will become division with 3. So 864 divided by 3. Now all of you are in grade 8. You know how to use divisibility rules to check if a number is divisible by 3 or not. So clearly 8 plus 6 plus 4 is divisible by 3. So this entire number is divisible by 3. So your x would become 288. Do not leave the answer here. A lot of my students make a mistake. They leave the answer here कि हाँ भाई x का value मिल गया, हमारा ना काम खत्म. No, you have to write all the multiples. तो आपको बस x का value मिला है, आपको x plus 8 भी find out करना है, x plus 16 भी find out करना है. So you have to find all the 3 multiples that they have given. Okay, so I can see a lot of you have already answered. Okay, that is a basic. I'm going to explain this again. Consecutive का मतलब होता है एक के बाद एक के बाद एक. So 8, 16, 24 are 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Because 8 into 1 is 8. उसके बाद आता है 16. उसके बाद आता है your 24. So that is consecutive. So they are always, when you generalize, they are always in the form of x, x plus 8, x plus 16. कोई भी multiple ले लो आप. 16, 24, 32 ले लो. 24, 32, 40 ले लो. 32, 40, 48 ले लो. They are always of the form x, x plus 8 and x plus 16. Okay, so you just have to add them because they're telling that the sum of these multiples is 888. So x plus 8, x plus 16 is equal to 888. Bring all the variables to one side and all the constants to one side and then isolate your x, quarantine your x, you will get your answer. Your next question on your screen. This next question can get a little tricky, so please carefully listen to me carefully. 5 years ago, Anu was thrice as old as Sonu. Now, only concentrate on the first sentence. Guys, come on, concentrate only on the first sentence. Now, 5 years ago, let's take Anu's age to be X and Sonu's age to be Y. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, उनका क्या है 5 years ago? What would be your age? If your age is 10 years now, this year, 5 years ago, ago is in the past. So 5 years ago, you would be 10 minus 5, correct? So 5 years ago, Anu would be X minus 5 and Sonu would be Y minus 5. So 5 years ago, Anu was 3 times Sonu. So your x minus 5 is equal to 3 times of y minus 5. So from here, get the value of x. Correct? So your x is equal to 3 into y is 3y. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Now minus 5, when you take it to the other side, it will become plus 5. So what did you get your x? Come on, I want you people to write it in the chat box. What do you get as your x? Equation क्या होगा आपका? मेंटी होगा बच्चा, मेंटी होगा. What would be the equation? Exactly. Divyansh has got it right. So it will become 3y minus 10. So you got your x in terms of y. Correct? So you got your x is equal to 3y minus 10. Now this is your first equation. Keep it aside. Now read the second sentence. After 10 years, Anu will be twice as old as Sonu. 10 years after. So what will Anu's age be? Anu will be x plus 10 and Sonu will be y plus 10 because y and x are their present ages. So Anu will be twice or as old as Sonu. So x plus 10 is equal to 2 times of y plus 10. But हमें तो x का value पता है in terms of y. Replace your x with 3y minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 10. That's it. Plus 10 minus 10 will get cancelled. Plus 2y when you bring to the other side will become minus 2y. 3y minus 2y is equal to 10. यहाँ से आपको मिलता है 10 is equal, y is equal to 10. Now substitute your y equal to 10 in this equation, you would get the answer. I'm going to explain this again. Please carefully listen. Okay? Now, first sentence. 5 years ago, Anu was thrice as old as Sonu. तो अभी हम देख लेते हैं कि इनका present age is x and y. Anu is x, Sonu is y. Present age, अभी का. तो 5 साल पहले कितना होगा? x minus 5, y minus 5. 5 years back. So they're telling 5 years back Anu was 3 times Sonu. So 5 years back Anu was x minus 5 and Sonu was y minus 5. But x minus 5 is equal to 3 times y minus 5 because Anu is 3 times Sonu's age. तो यहाँ से आपको एक equation मिल गया. Your x is equal to 3y minus 10. Second sentence. Break the question and do sentence by sentence. 10 years after. अब से 10 years के बाद. So if their present age is x and y, what would be their age 10 years after? It will be x plus 10. If you are 11 years now, 10 years later you will be 11 plus 10. Correct? So 10 years later, Anu is x plus 10. Sonu is y plus 10. But what is the condition that they told? That Anu is twice as Sonu. Substitute कर लो. X के place में 3y minus 10 substitute करो. And then that's it. You got it. Right? You're teaching 9th class too. Please, I really want to join pro course. Crazy girls, I don't know. I'm not teaching 9th grade. I'm teaching 6th, 7th and 8th grade. तो किसी को अगर स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है सॉल्यूशन का, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो अभी के अभी. चलो, this is part 1. Akanksha Gupta, you have got it right. Hi, Ekalavya. Ma'am, P equal to 0 is linear equation, one variable. Yes. Sanjbani, yes. It is a linear equation in one variable. And this is the continuation. So you got that Sonu's age is 20 and your, what is that? Anu's age is 50. Okay. So yeah, whatever you have taken your X and Y depends on that, whatever you will get. Cool? Okay. Did we make? Okay, cool. So let's move on, and here is your next question on your screens. Guys, carefully listen to the menti shuru hoga bacha. Please have patience. Okay. Yes, I do teach for grade 7 students also. In my pro classes, I teach for grade 6, grade 7. The batch is starting from 21st of June. You can enroll. That is the link which is active right now. Click on it and use the coupon code YHPRO. Okay? 3 consecutive integers are such that they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. They add up to 56. Now consecutive integers का मतलब क्या होगा? अगर एक x है, दूसरा वाला होगा x plus 1 और तीसरा होगा x plus 2. Okay? Now when x is multiplied with 2 and when x plus 1 is multiplied with 3 and your x plus 2 is multiplied with 4, and when you add them, they add up to 56. That's it. You have to bring all the variables to one side, constants to one side. There you go. 3 consecutive integers. What will they be? X, x plus 1, x plus 2 are 3 consecutive integers. उसके बाद क्या है? They are taken in increasing order. बस ये है आपका increasing order. एक हो गया x, दूसरा हो गया x plus 1, तीसरा हो गया x plus 2. And multiplied with 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Respectively matlab 2 is multiplied with the first one, 3 is multiplied with the second one, 4 is multiplied with the third one. And then they add up to 56. When you add them, it is equal to 56. Bas, ho gaya. Okay. So this is how you will find out the value of x. यहाँ पे छोड़ना नहीं है. Do not leave the problem here, please. So here you have to say if your x is equal to 5, so your 3 numbers would be x, that is 5, x plus 1, 6, x plus 2, 7. So substitute the values here in the consecutive numbers. You would be getting the 3 consecutive numbers. Okay? We have to do linear equation y using x and y both. Amit, that is because there are few things that you have to use both because there are 2 things there. Amit and Sonu. So that's why I have brought the relation x in terms of y. देखो मैंने यहाँ पे x in terms of y मैंने लिया है. That's why you have again brought it down to one variable only. ठीक है? चलो. Your next question is on your screens. Come on. After this is the last question. इसके बाद होगा menti. The sum of rupees 2,700 is being given in the form of 63 prizes. Okay, if the prices are either 100 rupees or 25 rupees. तो 100 rupees लेते हैं, rupees 100, let's take 100 rupees are X notes and rupees 25 are Y notes. Okay, so what is the total number of prizes that you're giving out? X plus Y is equal to 63. Okay, तो हम यहाँ पे लेते हैं X in terms of Y या Y in terms of X. You can take Y in terms of X. ठीक है? So now, let's do a step-by-step solution. Please carefully listen. Number of prizes है 63. Total amount is 2,700. Correct? Now, the cost of rupees X और rupees 100 या rupees 25 में दिया गया है. कोई और नोट है ही नहीं. 10 रुपए का नोट नहीं है, 50 रुपए का नहीं है, 100 रुपीज का नहीं है, सॉरी 1000 रुपीज का नहीं है. It's only given in the form of 100 rupees या 25 rupees. ठीक है? Now we are taking that the number of prizes of rupees 100 is X. ठीक है? And the number of prizes of 25 would be 63 minus X. क्यों? क्योंकि total price है 63. तो दैट इज ₹100 प्लस ₹25 पीपल, करेक्ट. सबको मिला के 63 हुआ. अगर number of people who got ₹100 is X, so the number of people who got 25 is the remaining people, that is 63 minus X. Now what is that? Total amount that you paid is 2,700. So ₹100 is X notes, so 100 multiplied by X. ₹25 के notes 63 minus X है, so we have multiplied 25 with 63 minus X and we have added them together. Now you open up your brackets, it's just linear equations in one variable. You will get the number of ₹100 notes. ये है आपका X. And then substitute your X in X minus 63 minus X. You would be getting the remaining one. ठीक है? I'm going to explain this again. I will come on guys. I'm going to explain this again. Please carefully listen. Question क्या था? Prize money दिया गया है. ठीक है? 63 people have won the prize. But the total prize money that I have spent is 2,700. पर मैंने बच्चों को बोला है कि अगर आपको बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे तो मैं आपको ₹100 दूंगी. ठीक ठाक मार्क्स आए तो मैं आपको दूंगी ₹25. ठीक है? तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज 63. So suppose I have given X number of people ₹100. तो I will give 63 minus X number of people ₹25. है ना? तो that's what I have written in slide number 1. Number of prizes, number of people that got ₹100 is X. So number of people who got 25 would be 63 minus X. Now we know the total amount that I spent is 2,700. So ₹100 multiplied by number of ₹100 people have got plus ₹25 multiplied by number of people who got ₹25, that is 63 minus X, will give you the total money that I have spent. That's it. It is linear equations in one variable. Correct? That's all is the answer. Okay? So this is how you got. So number of people who won ₹100 as the prize are 15 people. Number of people who won ₹25 are only 48 people. ठीक है? Okay. Please tell the Menti code. I will, bacha. I will. Please hold on. So here is another homework that I'm going to give you. Come on, quickly take the homework question. ये एक homework होगा. There is another homework question also. Please take it. क्वेश्चंस थोड़े कंफ्यूजिंग है, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आपको एग्जाम में आएंगे. सो यू नीड टू फेस द रियलिटी हियर. तो आप एक काम करना, सेशन को फिर से देखना. ठीक है? व्हाट्स द रिप्ले ऑफ द सेशन अगेन. आराम से देखना, पॉज कर करके देखना, समझ के देखना. यू विल गेट इट. ठीक है? चलो चलते हैं हमारे मेंटी पे. इसके बाद होगा होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. ये भी लिख लो, क्योंकि बेस्ड ऑन दिस होमवर्क क्वेश्चन ओनली the top 10 or 15 people I will select from the comment section. Chalo, write down the homework, guys. Homework question, quickly. Till then, I'll tell hi to every people who think I'm ignoring them. Hi, Deepika. Sanjabani, can you please watch the replay again? Guys, I understand कि YouTube पे सारे doubts clarify होना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. तो इसीलिए we have our pro subscription. Enroll for that. क्लास में जब हम वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म में हैं, इतने सारे बच्चे नहीं होंगे. पर बैच 50 या 15 बच्चे रहेंगे. तो इट विल बी अ लॉट मोर फन देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स केयरफुली वन बाय वन ऑल्सो. राइट? चलो, डिड एवरीबडी टेक अप? लेट्स मूव ऑन एंड हियर इज द मेंटी कोड 75569. Go to menti.com. That's it. You will get your code right there. चलो गाइस, मेंटी शुरू हो रहा है, जल्दी आ जाओ. Creative Family Surbhi ma'am will be definitely coming next week. That is from Monday. She'll be there. ठीक है? Tarun, can you please put that in the comment section? I'll try to solve personally. Yeah? Okay. Not both the questions in the comment section. The second homework slide that I have shown, please write only that. Chalo. The code is 5275569. I am going to start in 3, 2, 1. And here is your third question. Video is blurred. That's okay. You just look at the screen. Solve for X. 3x divided by 4 is equal to 3. बहुत आसान सवाल है. No, I don't like anime, but I have read books, anime books I have read. 3x by 4 is equal to 3. Solve for x. Tarun, best video. Please write it in the comment section. I will try to take up that in the next session. Please no spamming. Teachers trigonometry in live class. Trigonometry तो 8th class बच्चों को तो है ही नहीं. कैसे पढ़ेंगे? 8th class के लिए तो है नहीं trigonometry. Let's look at the top 10. Manya, what happened? No spamming. Majority of you have got the answer. It is x is equal to 4. So 3x by 4. So division with 4, when you take it to the other side, it will become multiplication with 4. So 3x is equal to 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12. So 3 multiplied with x is equal to 12. So your x is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. Easy peasy. Your next question, before that, let's look at the leaderboard here. And let's see who is the fastest. Meghna is the hula hoop. Okay, so we have Brokos and Rudra being the fastest. Good job, everyone, on the fastest fingers list here on the leaderboard. Good work. And here we go with the 4th question on your screens. I don't teach class 5. I only teach 6th, 7th and 8th. On YouTube, I teach only 8th. Choose the correct option to balance the equation. X plus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 12 is equal to 0. Come on, hurry up. Hi, Riddhi. I remember you, bacha. Two, three, two, one, and let us look at the leaderboard here. Okay, both B and C are correct. Add minus 12 on both the sides. Yes, subtract 12 from both the sides. Both are correct. I told you there's going to be a life-changing, leaderboard-changing question. This is the leaderboard changing question. It can be adding with minus 12. So plus of minus 12 will be minus 12 again. See? So it can be both B and C. Let's look at the leaderboard. The leaderboard must have changed. The 5th question is also a leaderboard changing question. So please carefully read and look at the options carefully. Charvi being the top of the leaderboard and Arushi being on the fastest. Good job, everyone. Let's move forward and do our 5th life-changing, leaderboard-changing question on your screen. The numbers are in the ratio 4:3. If they differ by 18, find the greatest number. Differ by 18, matlab when you subtract the numbers, they are equal to 18. And the ratio that they are in is 4:3. They are in the ratio 4:3. They differ by 18. It's a very easy peasy one. A lot of you are giving the answers, but a lot of you are getting it wrong also. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. 2, 1, and time up. Let us look at the top 10 here. Okay, good job, everyone who has got it right. The answer here is 72. You can take the numbers as 4x and 3x. They differ by 4. Just give me one moment, guys. Okay, so they differ here by 4. Correct? Sorry, they differ by 18. So 4x minus 3x is equal to 18. 4x minus 3x is x. X is equal to 18. पर हमें x का value नहीं चाहिए. हमें चाहिए the greatest number. So 4 multiplied with x. X is 18. So 4 multiplied by 18 will be the biggest number. Again, common sense. I will explain this question again. First, let's look at the leaderboard here. Let's see who has won today's leaderboard, the game changing, the leaderboard changing question. Janal was fastest, but Charvi is on the top of the leaderboard. Charvi, get ready. In the next question, you are going to get an amazing, beautiful certificate here. Now, for everyone who got confused in that question, Bacha Party, please carefully listen here. Okay, I'm going to explain that question. 1 minute, where's my pen? Okay, so I hope you people are able to see this right side. So the numbers were in the ratio 4:3 and they differ by 18. So whenever you have ratio, let the numbers be 4x and 3x. They differ by 18. When I use the word differ, you have to subtract. So 4x minus 3x is equal to 18. So your x is equal to 18. So how will you know the greatest number? 4 multiplied by 18. There you go, you got the answer. ठीक है, तो ये है आपका homework question quickly लिख लो because I will display the top 15 names here. So this is the homework question. And if you loved the session today, if you have understood a lot from the session, hit the bell icon right now, subscribe to the channel because we are going to come up with the entire syllabus of NCERT on YouTube for you. We're going to do a lot of word problems, lot of NCERT problems also. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Come on guys, hit the like button right now and put in the comment section if you have loved the video, and also put your homework in the comment section also. Come on, give me hearts if you have loved the session. Okay, you've missed the mentee diamond gamer, please try to be on time from the next one. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in my next class. Until then, you people were amazing today. Bye bye, take care.